Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add contact form in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in contact page, and we are going to add Wix form. On left side you see add element. So click on it, and then you see multiple option. Now you see contact and form. So hover on it, and then you see create new form. If you want, you can select create new form, so you can create form from scratch. And then you see pre-made form. Now you see contact. Now you see layout, so you can use pre-made form or create new form, so it's up to you. Now select contact form, and then you see layout. You see multiple option: order, registration, application. Now contact. Now drag and drop form here. Now adding Wix form. Now you see form is added. So this is a pre-made layout. Now click on it, and then you see edit form setting. So first click on setting. Now you see loading setting, and then you see form, contact form. Now you see date, layout. So you can set side padding, top and bottom padding, space between row, space between column. So you can set numbers according to requirement. Now you see design, so click on it. Form background. Now you see multiple option, and then click on back, and then you see form field, so click on it. Now you see straight, regular, input style, fill color, opacity. Again click on back button. Now you see header and paragraph. Now you see custom, styling. Now click on back again, button, upload button, submit button, back button. Now you see. Now click on manage, review submission, create form, update setting, and then you see sport. Now close, and then click on edit form, so click on it. So if you want, you can add more field. Now you see contact, email, phone, birthday, address. Now you see general, so you can add field according to requirement. Now you see contact form. If you want, you can change name, layout. Now you see preview, so this is our preview, and then click on settings. Now you see contact form name, so you can change according to requirement. Required field style asterisk after field, so this is our preview. And then you see when a form is submitted, show a message. If you want, you can redirect to URL or clear form. Now select show a message, so you can add your confirmation message here. So we added some text, and then you see second display, 8-second delay. Now you see new submission received for contact form active, form submitted, send an email. Now click on edit, and then you see trigger when form submitted. Now click on edit, select an app to see its trigger Wix form, and then you see form submitted. If you want, you can add delay or add condition. Now you see do this, send an email. If you want, you can add more action. Now click on edit, and then you see next, decide how you want to respond to the trigger, send an email. If you want, you can select show in inbox. Now you see, so you can select according to requirement, send a chat message. Now select send an email, and then you see sender detail, sender name. Now click on edit, and then you see add sender, sender name, so you can add your name, and you can add your email. Now you see reply to email. People reach this address when replying to your email. So you can add your information, and then click on save, and then you see create an email. So this is a preview, and then you see set email type. Now expand. Now you see promotional, business, business critical, and then you see set recipient. Now you see select the recipient who will receive this email each time is triggered. Now you see other recipient, so click on it. Business email. If a business email does not exist, the site owner email will be used. So your email will be used here. Now close. Now you see add button, so click on it, and then you see contact. If you want, you can click on it. Now you see select up 20 emails, so this is our email. Now select and then click on add, so it's up to you. If you want, you can create new. Now close. Now you see emails from trigger. Now you see primary email address, email ID, so you can select according to requirement, and then close, and then click on save. and then you see message, your automation was successfully done, and then scroll down. Now you see active, and then click on back to form. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see submission, no submission yet. Now go to form again, edit. So you can add field according to requirement, and then click on save, and then click on close, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. And then you see contact form in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.